আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ওয়েলকাম টু NextGen MGT. আজকে মাত্র 5 মিনিটে আমরা বুঝব ডেভেলপমেন্ট অফ ম্যানেজমেন্ট আউট. From factory floors to boardrooms, management ideas have evolved for over a century. Let's explore 5 key approaches, in simple language, with real-life examples. Classical approach. The classical school believed that work can be optimized like a machine. It has 10 parts. Scientific management. Frederick Taylor said, right man for the right job. Time study, motion study, everything for efficiency. বাংলায় বললে সময় বাঁচিয়ে উৎপাদন বাড়ানোই লক্ষ্য ছিল। Administrative theory. Henry Fayol he gave 14 principles and 5 functions: planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, controlling. Bureaucracy. Max Weber rules, hierarchy, and discipline, essential for large organizations. Example, Unilever bid a please fail structure even today. Behavioral approach. Elton Mayo's Hawthorne studies showed that workers perform better when they feel cared for. Then came Maslow's hierarchy of needs, from survival to self-fulfillment. বাংলায় বললে কর্মীরা শুধু বেতন না, নিরাপত্তা, সম্মান ও বিকাশ চায়। This is the heart of today's firm: motivation, leadership, and employee care. Companies like Aarong use behavioral models to empower rural artisans. Quantitative and modern approaches. The quantitative approach uses math and data to solve business problems. Decision trees, forecasting operations research. Example, airlines use algorithms to adjust ticket prices. Then came modern approaches. Systems theory. Organization is like a living system: input, process, output, feedback. Contingency theory. No one best way. Situation matters to him. Total quality management. Continuous improvement with employee involvement. Example, Toyota used TIM to reduce defects. Grameenphone applies systems theory in tech service. So in just 5 minutes, we covered how management evolved, key thinkers and their ideas, real-life examples in Bangladesh. These theories are not just for exams, they help you lead better and think smarter. If you found this helpful, subscribe to NextGen MGT and comment below which chapter you want next. এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক করুন এবং বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করুন। Until next time, keep learning, keep leading.